was a very liberal, very tolerant, very progressive institution.
At the same time, Dilnawaz was in his final year of school, one of the Lahore fashionable summers.
The fashions in Lahore became popular all over Punjab, not only in Punjab but in northern India. There was a famous saying in Punjabi that a person who has not seen Lahore has not been born yet. He is yet to be born.
In a few months' time, the peace of this ancient city would be shattered. Lahore, once one of the most mixed cities in all of India, was now home only to Muslims.
Gone was the cosmopolitan Lahore, you see. Gone was liberal, tolerant, progressive Lahore, you see. But I think culturally, Lahore suffered, you see. It was a great city in those days. It was a great city in those days. With the passage of time, we became more conservative, more backward, more intolerant, more pseudo-Islamic, pseudo-Islamic.